Right, so Saturday, so weekend, so I can get to do some work on the car again. Today, planning to do some cleaning of parts. So after stripping the subframe and everything last time, we're starting to do some modifications, get it prepared for powder coat. Now, with that, there's also some other bits like the bottom arms. I've removed all the ball joints from those so that they can be stripped and re-powder coated, along with the other arms at the rear. So the adjustable arms were looking a bit tatty and everything now, so going to clean all those up. At the same time, I've also got things like the handbrake backing plate that I need to strip off the hub. So need to take all this apart. Obviously I stripped it off as part of taking the subframe apart the other week, but I want to get to this because there is a plan. This will be needed and it's not going to be on here anymore. So that will come later on though. Time to get cracking. Got everything stripped down for the backing plates of the handbrake. Also, while I was here, I decided to strip down the fronts because I've just taken them all off complete because the front hubs are going to be up for sale. So here they are. They are S13 front hubs that have been modified by Walton at Nispro, and as I don't need them anymore, or won't be needing them, they're going to be up for sale. So front pair that are 5 stud. I'll be putting an advert up on Facebook and Driftworks and what have you, and they will be for sale. And there's the backing plates all off, ready to be cleaned and then blasted. So I want to repaint them or get them powder coated, not sure which yet. But yeah, there we go, off to Absolute Customs. Okay, so now over at Absolute Customs you can see the 13 behind me. Going to start with cleaning the arms, then going to get to actually blasting them. Because I won't be able to fit anything in the cabinet to show the filming of doing it or anything, I thought I'd show you before and after of each stage. So this is them off the car, having been stripped, and before cleaning first. Then I'll show you after cleaning, and then I'll show you after the blasting. So here's the first bit. I'm not going to be able to blast the anti-roll bars, but all of these will be able to hopefully be nicely blasted and come out a lot cleaner than they are ready for powder coating, because I'm going to make everything black and nice. So, but these may be painted, we'll have to see what they look like. But yeah, on we go. Okay, so end of step 1, the hot washing. So these are aftermarket arms. You can see most of the blue powder coat is gone, so but quite rusty underneath. Camber arms have come quite a lot off as well. They're ready. The best hard wearing powder coat, Nissan standard. So but they're all ready for blasting. And the front arms, well, they've seen quite a bit of use. Good to give them a clean up, get fresh powder coat and everything on them. So that's both of those. And then traction arms as well. None of them are bent or anything, they're just, it's going to give them a nice freshen up and new lease of life. And then we have anti-roll bar. So that's been on the car for years and years, so most of the powder coat's gone anyway. And then be able to get it all fresh, all nice. And same with front one. So that's in pretty good nick, as it was the front, although you can see where wheels hitting, etc. So on lock, we were getting contact from the wheel and tyre. But yeah, so they'll be coming back just black. Let's get blasting with all of these. I'd forgotten about the backing plates because they are outside. There they are. There we go, just so we've got the before. Okay, so finished for today. Got all the blasting done and everything else, so I'll just show you what they now look like. All come out pretty well. Not all falling apart. Some rust marks, but you're going to get that on something that's this old. But now they are ready for powder coat, and my back's killing me after a whole afternoon. I think it's now 7:30. Stood at the blaster, but worth it hopefully in the end. So that'll be it for this weekend probably, unless I can get up here tomorrow, but we'll see. And then that'll be carrying on with all of that. Until next time.